Hey everyone, just want to let you know I am having an open house in Grasslands on Saturday, and that's December 12th from 12 to 2. It's in Grasslands. It's 1727 Laurel Glen, and I'm coming here for lunch, so this will be a great opportunity for me to show you the amenities of Grasslands. For some reason my car won't lock. Okay, so take a look at the club right here. It's been totally renovated. Now, the golf membership is definitely separate. They just redid the entire golf course, and from my understanding, the golfers are really happy about that. The food is incredible. They have, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 restaurants. They have the formal dining room. They also have the 1600 Club, which is a pub that serves food. They have downstairs where the golfers go. They have the grill room. And, and then you can eat by the pool if you wanted to also. Okay, so we'll go in there nonchalantly so you can see what the trees look like and how it's decorated. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this is. I was going to eat in the grill room, but maybe, okay, so that was the formal dining room, and then this is the grill room. And what I love about the grill room is they have this coffee machine here that can make my coffee. And then, hi! And then looks like a lot of ladies are here. So that's what that looks like. Gotta have a quick cappuccino before I have my lunch. This is my favorite thing to do, especially around 3 o'clock. I'll come up and just have a quick cappuccino if I'm in the neighborhood. Definitely, that's a treat. You can also eat out here. Oh, what a beautiful day it is. And then look how pretty this is. And those golfers are so happy with the club, all nicely redone. They did such a great job. Look at that. So this was just built. This is the 1600 Club, and you can store all your wine here, so you can bring your own wine. And then this is like an informal place here and there. So we also have tennis, pickleball. There's a beautiful pool. There's a kids pool here. There's a lap pool. What else do we have? We have so much to offer at Grasslands. Again, the membership is separate. So please come to my open house tomorrow, 1727 Laurel Glen, Lakeland, Florida, 33803. There's 24-hour guard service here. And I hope to see you at my open house. And I'm going to show you a video of what that home looks like. And we just reduced it to $575. It's on Laurel Glen.